So in this video, we will learn how to install the OWASP Juice Shop in our Kali Linux. So if you do not know what OWASP Juice Shop is, this is an intentionally designed insecure e-commerce website which is designed to teach you website hacking, and there are different tasks related to different web attacks. So if you want to learn website hacking, this is a great place to start. In this video, I'll show you how to install this on your Kali Linux, and the command is sudo apt install Kali Linux labs --y, and we're all done. This is all it took. Now to start Juice Shop, I'll type sudo juice shop and it will be started automatically in our browser. Now when Juice Shop starts, I can see all the products. We do not have any information regarding the task we have to do. So even searching for the task file on the scoreboard is a task itself. So in the next video, I'll show you how to find the scoreboard. This video was just for the setup only. And if you want to stop Juice Shop, type sudo juice shop stop and it will be stopped. Just last one thing before I end the video. When you install Kali Linux labs, other than Juice Shop, one more other lab is installed in your system. It is DVWA. So to start DVWA, type the command sudo DVWA start and it will be started on your browser. If you're logging in for the first time, the username is DVWA and the password is also DVWA. And when you log in, you will not have this. I already have this set up, but you'll see setup reset database. Here you can change the configuration with this path. I'll not do anything for now. I'll just click on create reset database and you will be back again at the login page. Now you have to log in with the username admin and the password. This is the default username and the password. And if you click on login, you will see all these hacking challenges. And if you want to stop DVWA, type sudo DVWA stop and it will be stopped. So over the next few videos, I'll be solving OWASP Juice Shop. So if you want to stay connected and follow along, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.